Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today, we're taking a look at the new Mario Edition Nintendo Switch. This is the first original Switch with a different color body. Previous special editions have just had designs layered over the top of the default black body. The standard, it comes with 2 Joy-Cons, left and right, both of which color match the shell, another departure from the norm. I like the color. It's a midpoint between the neon red of the standard Joy-Cons and the deep red of the Mario Odyssey Joy-Cons. But it would have been nice to see more Mario designs on the actual body itself. It feels a bit plain, especially for a special edition. The grip comes in a blue, which plays off really well with the red Joy-Cons. The dock also comes in the same red instead of the black we're used to, but the functionality is still the same. The Joy-Con wrist straps also come in blue, but have cool little design touches like the white and blue accents on the red cable or the yellow fastener designed to look like a coin. It would have been cool to see the same ideas applied to the rest of the console. The console also comes with a couple of accessories. We'll start with the screen protector. It's PET, which isn't great. PET is generally harder to apply and doesn't offer great protection. Also, there's only one in the box, so it would have been nice if it was pre-installed like some phones do, or if they'd gone for tempered glass instead. It also comes with a slimline case that's red on one side and blue on the other. The design is cool and features some Mario motifs. The yellow stands out again on the zips as an interesting feature. The omission of a carry handle strikes me as odd, but on the whole I like the design. When you open it up, you see the soft felt material, which is nice to touch and should protect your Switch from light grazes. But the case itself isn't rigid enough to offer much shock absorption from accidental drops or impacts. Like I said, it's a slimline case, so you're not going to get much into it. It's got space for 5 games, and it's got a pocket that can fit a USB cable or some earbuds, not much more. So that's the Nintendo Switch Mario Edition. If you're looking for the perfect accessory pack to go with your new Mario Edition Switch, why not check out our red Nintendo Switch Essential Pack? This is a compilation of what we think every Nintendo Switch owner should have. Let's start with the carry case. It's made from a shockproof EVA material that's smooth to the touch, and it has a flexible handle with a nice grip for easy carrying. The soft touch non-abrasive material on the inside protects your Switch from scratches, and the built-in games holder holds 8 games, and the top compartment has the space and flexibility to store what you need when you need it. Our screen protector is an upgrade from the one you get with the Switch. It's fully adhesive and made from a specially reinforced glass, crystal clear with superb clarity, and the screen is edge to edge, and the application is super easy. It comes with a full installation kit and a guide. Plus, it's a twin pack, so you'll have a spare. If you play your Switch in handheld mode a lot, you may start to feel strain on your hand, especially during those long play sessions. This is where the Comfort Grip case comes in. Its ergonomic design and granular texture give you a more comfortable grip on your Switch, letting you play longer. It also boasts unrestricted airflow and easy access thanks to all the accurate cutouts and ports, plus the added scratch and drop protection for your Switch. As well as cases and screen protectors, our Essential Pack has accessories that we think are necessary, like our USB 3.0 certified cable. It's the perfect backup charging cable. It's USB Type-C to Type-A, so you can use it with any USB plug to charge your Switch. The games holder gives you a convenient and portable way to carry your game cards in it. It gives you additional 4 slots on top of the 8 already in your carry case. It's dustproof and water resistant, and will keep your game safe whilst you travel. The Orzly Stylus Pen is a twin-tip pen suitable for writing on paper as well as on your Switch. At one end is a ballpoint pen, and the other is a soft-tip stylus, ensuring accurate navigation and control when typing or drawing on your touchscreen. For the full immersive experience, we've included earbuds. The great range and clarity mean you'll be able to enjoy fantastic audio from your favorite games when you're out and about. Our pack is designed with the Switch's portability in mind, so everything we have in it fits inside the carry case. If you want to see a more in-depth video about it, click the link in the top corner or down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, why not leave a like? And also comment down below and let us know what you think of the new Nintendo Switch Mario Edition. As always, follow us on social media for all the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.